In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Notion. We'll use Zapier to automatically create Google Calendar events whenever a new item appears in a Notion database. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow that saves you time and keeps your schedule organized. Start by creating a Zapier account, then create a new Zap. A Zap is just an automation made of two parts: a trigger and an action. Give your Zap a clear name so you can find it later. If you are on a free plan, note that tasks run at set intervals, which is usually fine for basic scheduling. Make sure you have access to the Notion workspace and the Google account you want to use before you begin. Next, set the trigger to New Database Item in Notion. You'll be prompted to connect your Notion account and authorize Zapier to access it. Choose the specific database you use for events or tasks. It's helpful if your database has a clear title property for the event name and a date or date-time property for when it should occur. During setup, Zapier will pull in a sample item so you can see which fields are available. This is where you confirm that the database and properties are exactly what you expect. Now set the action to create detailed event in Google Calendar. Connect your Google account, then pick the calendar where new events should appear. Map your Notion fields to the event fields. Set the event summary to your Notion title. Map the start and end times from your Notion date properties. And add the description using notes or a rich text field. If your Notion item includes a location or URL, place that in the location or description fields. Double-check the time zone and decide whether events should be all day or time-specific based on how your Notion date is configured. You can leave any fields you don't use blank. It's time to test and turn on the automation. Run a test in Zapier to send a sample Notion item to Google Calendar. Open your calendar to confirm the event appears with the correct title, date, and details. If times look off, review your time zone settings in both Notion and Google Calendar, and make sure the Notion date includes start and end times if needed. When everything looks right, turn on the Zap. From now on, every new item added to that Notion database will automatically create a matching event in Google Calendar. Keep in mind, this is a one-way automation for new items. Edits to existing items won't retroactively change past events unless you build additional automations. Thanks for watching.